Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Agne. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing from 0 to 100 makeup things. I always watch them and I really love these type of videos, so I thought I have to film one for you guys. So if you want to know how I transform myself from this to this, then keep on watching. To start off, I'm gonna be using Marc Jacobs Hued Quake Gel Cream. This is a really great moisturizer and it works perfectly as a base for your makeup. Also, this moisturizer smells so yummy. Next, I'm gonna be applying Everlasting Youth Fluid Foundation. Honestly talking, this foundation is so beautiful. It helps to even out all the imperfections. Also, it's really long lasting. It doesn't crease, it doesn't move. By the way, this is the newest foundation in Clarins and my shade is Honey. When it comes to foundation, I always start with the smallest amount and then I just build it. And then next, I will just take my concealer and I will go back where I need more coverage. So let's say here, under my eyes. So that way my skin looks like my skin and it just doesn't look cakey. Also, if I do forget to mention all the products that I use, I'm gonna link them below so you can have a look. And yeah, today I am actually going out, yay, so I don't need to remove this makeup. We planned ladies night, so I'm really looking forward, but weather in Dubai is horrible today. It's raining and our table is outside, so we are praying it's not gonna be raining. I will be contouring my face slightly, and for that I will use Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte in shade Deep Sand. And I will use literally the smallest amount. And then I'll take my beauty blender and I will blend everything. To set my face, I'm gonna be using Instant Blur Compact Powder from Summer Kazumi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name correctly. I hope I do. But anyways, it's just a really beautiful powder. My shade is 150. I always like to go back with like a fluffy brush. This time I'm using MAC Cosmetics brush 224, and with a little bit of the powder I go all the way around my eyes to set the concealer, around my eyes, around my lips, just to make sure, you know, nothing is gonna crease. For today's bronzer, we're gonna be using Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in shade Medium 2. I'm using 116 MAC Cosmetics brush. As you can see, guys, I use a lot of MAC brushes, but it's just because MAC brushes, probably they are the best. And MAC brushes were the first ones in my makeup kit, so I'm a very loyal customer when it comes to MAC brushes, because I have some brushes for 6-7 years and I still use them because they're still like in good condition. Now with the smaller brush, I'm just gonna slightly contour my nose. I can't decide which blush should I use. Should I use the peach one or the pink one? I know on the camera they look kind of the same, but they are different. So maybe we should use the peach one. Peach one is always a good decision. How about you guys? What blushers do you use? Because peach is like my most favorite. Or sometimes I just skip the blush and I just use my bronzing powder if I want to go for more like a bronze look. But yeah, peach is like my go-to. Then I go back with my beauty blender and just like blur all the lines to make sure it's not looking patchy. For today's highlighter, I decided to use Nip and Fab. I absolutely love this highlight palette. It has 4 shades and I'm gonna mix all of them together and we'll see. And again, I'm using MAC Cosmetics brush 184. It's a fun brush. This is my favorite highlighting brush. It just does the job for you. You don't need to do anything. And now finally time for the brows. Of course, for my brows I will be using Chelsea Boutique powder. This is like my go-to product. I have to have this in my kit, and I will use 266 MAC Cosmetics brush. This is an angled brush. Again, it just does the job for you. You're gonna see how I do my brow, but it's just so easy, especially if you use powder or a gel based product. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna draw the line underneath my brow. And I will do the same thing above. I'm literally following my natural brow shape. And then whatever left on the brush, I just fill it in the front. Because I don't want here to be the darkest. I want here to be the darkest. So we are creating like an ombre brow. To clean around my brows, I will use the same concealer that I was using for my eyes, and I will use 212 MAC brush. I just applied that on the back of my hand, and then I just load the brush with the product. And with the short strokes, I'm just gonna clean underneath and make them look more sharp. Then I'll do the same on the top. As you can see, this brow looks more clean and more neat than this one, so we will do the same on the other side. To be honest, I never used to clean around my brows, but now that I clean them, I see such a big difference. They look more sharp, you know, they look more real. I don't know, it's just life-changing technique. Then we are going to apply Gimme Brow from Benefit Cosmetics Brow Gel in number 3. I'm gonna be baking underneath my eyes with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Banana Powder, and with my beauty blender, I'm just gonna take a little bit of powder and I will apply underneath my eyes. That way I will protect my under eye from eyeshadow fallout. So when I'm done with eye makeup, I'm just gonna remove the powder and it's gonna look nice and clean. For my eyelids, I'm gonna be using Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer. For today's eye makeup, I want to do like a sexy smoky eye, and I will be using this Urban Decay Beauty with an Edge eyeshadow palette. It has such beautiful shades like earthy, it has a little bit of the shimmers. The shade that I'm using is called Boundaries. I'm gonna apply this in my crease. It's gonna be like a transition color for my eyelid. Now with the pencil brush, I'll do exactly the same underneath my eyes. Next, I'm taking the shade called Buck. Now with this shade, I'm just creating a little bit dimension to my eyes. And this time, I'm just applying halfway. So I don't go all the way in. It's only halfway. Now we will take this shade called End Game. And as you can see, this is a really dark shade. I'm gonna use like the smallest amount. And I will apply this in the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm taking another brush. This is also MAC 221. It's really thin brush. So first I just use like a tapping motions. I want to place the eyeshadow, and then I'll take the blending brush and I will blend the edges. So again, I'm doing exact same thing underneath my eyes. When it comes to pigments, we need a brush that is like petite and very hard. When I say hard, it's like that you can really pack the pigment on your eyelids. And plus I will be using a setting spray to wet the pigment. That way the payoff is gonna be so much better. So I take a little bit of the pigment, I spray the setting spray. For my eyelashes, I'm gonna be using Chelsea Boutique. This is in number 13. So as you can see, one lash is gone already. It's just because I cut them in half. I will use a tiny bit of glue. This is a duo glue. Looks like this. It's like transparent. It doesn't have any color since we don't have eyeliner. And the falsies are on. As you can see, it looks super cute. While that is drying, we're not gonna apply mascara, but I'm just gonna clean my face. I'm not gonna lie, I have a lot of pigment around my face, so we need to remove that. I'm just gonna take like a fluffy brush and I will gently remove the powder, just like that. So while the lash glue is drying, I'm gonna do my lips, and for that I'm using MAC Cosmetics Stripped Down Lip Liner. This is the best lip liner ever. Honey Love lipstick. And to set my makeup, I will use Clarins Beauty Mist. I'm gonna spray this all over my face. This will help my makeup to last longer, plus it's gonna hydrate as I do have a very dry skin. This is the complete look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what videos you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.